This edge just looks really rough. And that's always one of the hard parts of these, to get a nice finished look on there. And I can't remove this and cut it any tighter because it's all glued on here. So I'm just gonna put this on here. Give it a nice finished look. Might need another one right here. Another one right here. But I'm just kind of seeing if that's what I like. I think it looks pretty good, so I'll take the old skill saw and melt/cut this. I gotta put it on the other side like that, and then I